How to use revenue-based loans to keep cash flow strong. Cash flow is the heartbeat of every business, and when banks slow you down, it can throw everything off balance. Now that's why our team partners as independent brokers with David Allen Capital, connecting businesses to revenue-based loan programs that keep cash flow steady without all the endless paperwork. David Allen Capital's application process is fast and straightforward. Approvals happen within 24 to 48 hours, and funding follows soon after. They look at real business performance and not just your credit score. To qualify, you'll need 4 months of operations at least, $15,000 or more in monthly revenue, and a personal FICO score of at least 550 with a business based in the USA or Canada. DAC's microloans also serve smaller companies with more flexible requirements. Now with the $500 meet or beat guarantee that David Allen Capital offers, you'll always get competitive terms. If another lender gives you a better offer, they'll either match it or pay you $500 in cash. Keep your business running smoothly. Apply today through jakefunding.com using the link in the description below. Good luck!